In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp using either Chrome or Edge. This process is quick, straightforward, and should take us about 5 minutes to complete. Let's jump right in and get started with accessing Meta AI through WhatsApp Web on your PC. First things first, make sure you have either Chrome or Edge installed on your computer, as these browsers support WhatsApp Web optimally. Go ahead and launch your preferred browser. Once you have your browser open, navigate to web.whatsapp.com. This is the official site for using WhatsApp on your computer, reflecting a similar interface to what you're used to on your smartphone, but larger for ease of use. After you land on the WhatsApp web page, you might notice the QR code on the screen. If you haven't connected your WhatsApp account to the web interface yet, do so by opening WhatsApp on your phone, going to the settings, and choosing linked devices to scan the QR code. This will sync your smartphone with the web version. Now that you're in, it's a good idea to ensure you have the most updated view of the interface. To do this, simply press Ctrl+R if you're using Windows or CMD+R if you're on a Mac. This key combination will refresh your browser tab, ensuring any new updates or changes to the site are captured and properly displayed. With your WhatsApp interface fully refreshed and ready, let's proceed to the search functionality, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. It's the icon that looks like a magnifying glass right up there in the navigation pane. Go ahead and click on it to activate the search bar. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the search bar, you're going to type Meta AI. As you type, keep an eye on the search suggestions that appear below. The Meta AI icon should pop up among these suggestions, usually near the top given it's a frequent and highly sought-after feature. Once you see it, click on the icon. At this point, if everything went smoothly, you should have access to Meta AI within your WhatsApp web environment. You can interact with it just like you would in a regular chat, leveraging its AI capabilities to enhance your messaging experience. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Meta AI into your WhatsApp web interface. Remember, this process is not only super simple, but a fantastic way to harness AI technology within your everyday communication tools. If you encounter any hiccups, don't hesitate to start from the top and try again, ensuring all steps are followed correctly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Meta AI on WhatsApp.